I can't believe them tires hold air. I love it.
Well, we're gonna run it on them.
I wouldn't go very far.
We opened up for Luke Combs.
He's got that song Beautiful Crazy.
Yes.
We was talking about beautiful gravy.
Now you got me thinking about lunch.
I can steer it from here.
Back in high school, I was the percussion captain of the drum line, and my senior year we did a feature called brake drums. And I literally got 2 Volkswagen brake drums, mounted them on this board, and played them with metal rods. And it was the first time I ever played 64th notes. But they actually were tuned perfectly for the show, so that's why we used them. It was really kind of, this just brings back serious memories.
Drum roll, please.
These studs are actually fairly new.
Hey.
Good afternoon. We spent a little time and got the rear wheel freed up. So we'll be able to push her into the old bay. Took the wheel off, and then I bolted a bar on there, and we just pushed on it really hard and it broke it loose.
It's gonna work out. Yeah, lots of room for batteries.
I built a workbench out of an old rusty transformer cabinet and a bowling lane. We have to shuffle stuff. We're gonna put the bus as far right as possible, and we're gonna put this wood where the bus was, outside. This is all the stuff. Pretty sexy stuff. So yeah, this goes on that, and this goes on here, and then the clutch disc goes in there, the pressure plate goes on. This is how you plug the bad boy in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you just, and look, it's even soft open. Oh, and the batteries are there. They're heavy. But so we have everything we need except for the cooling.
Liquid.
The liquid cooling apparatus.
Is it time to push?
It is. Time to push.
Yep.
Hear that door? God. It's just a big shell game. I move it out of my way, to put it in my way, so it'll later be in my way. And then when I take it out of my way now, I put it in my way later. And then sometimes I take it out of my way today and put it in my way last week. If that makes any sense. It doesn't make any sense to me, but it's just what happens. Bring out your dad!
I'm not dead yet.
Beautiful, don't you think? You got plenty of room to you walk around on all sides. Yeah, because this is where all the work's going to happen, or most of it. So let's render it immobile.
Okay.
Yeah, already centered?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let her down real slow, so watch back. Nice thing about this jack is you can let it down really slow.
Wow, that worked great, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, that's just where we want it.
You can just see the entire transmission just say, I'm done.
Is it not bolted on tight?
Doesn't look like it.
Oh, the mount's broken. Well, so put that on the list of necessary items. Let's see, watch. See that mount?
Yeah.
That's where it's supposed to be. Oh, actually, there's a bracket missing.
It might be in the bucket,
It
right?
probably is. It should be. Cool. Now let's get the front off the ground. Pull the wheels. Okay, up we go. I don't know if this will be high enough to keep the tires off the ground. Oh, just barely. Look at that.
Yeah.
Are we solid? Oh yeah. We're in good shape, man.
Huh.
We use this to pull it a little bit with the truck so it would free up that back wheel. So we're gonna check in all the items. Link Pro battery monitor, prescaler for Xantrex, the TBS 5-to-1, 600 amp to 50 millivolt shunt. Hey Ward, what is all this shit? P243G, this is a fuse sort of thing right there. And then all this checked-in stuff we'll put to the right. This bearing goes with that. I remember taking them apart together. Okay, so this is some sort of case. Okay, I don't see the motor controller on the list. Okay, the charger is here. This is the Elcon charger. So we'll go ahead and slide that over. And this goes with the charger. I don't know if this is a separate listed item. This is the adapter for the charger. Let's go ahead and check off the used Toyota used Prius throttle pedal with the plug. Pressure plate for the clutch. I know what that is. Kennedy pressure plate stage 3. There. Solid disc X-side clutch. There. And that, then we have flywheel. Yeah, that's the Volkswagen Porsche flywheel here. Sevcon plug, DC to DC converter plug. Cool. Motor adapter and coupler EV West, and that's what this is. These go with this. This is the bell housing. Okay, the receptacle socket. That's our charger thing. And what's the AVC2? Motor controller. Model 13 1238 7601. Okay, this is the mount for the controller. Gigavac switch. Here is the Gigavac switch. Contactor GD200, this is it. Contactor box. Ultra safe fuse holder for ATM fuse.
Yes.
That's the battery monitoring system satellite module.
Look at that.
And the BMS C. BMS M. It's probably all in this bag. And then we got 5 batteries over there on the floor.
Yep.
10 gland nuts. Sheet shrink tubing. Heavy duty ring terminal 10. Well, these are fuses. There are 2. High voltage fuse. Right there. Sevcon plug. Okay, here's the pressure transducer there. The liquid cooling kit is on back order. The DC converter, 300 watt to 120 volt Sevcon. This is it. We have our cable, ring terminal. We got 10 more of those. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. These are, it's a wiring harness. Fuse holders. But everything that is on the list is here. It all checks out except for the cooling thing. Still my being hard.